Welcome to our channel. Today, we are embarking on a journey into the world of meditation. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to deepen your practice, this guide is for you. Hi everyone, I'm your host, and today we are going to explore the basics of meditation. Meditation is a powerful tool that can help you find inner peace, reduce stress, and enhance your overall well-being. Let's get started. So, what exactly is meditation? At its core, meditation is a practice where an individual uses a technique, such as mindfulness, or focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity, to train attention and awareness, and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm state. Meditation has numerous benefits. Here are a few. 1. Reduces stress. Meditation can help you relax and lower the levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, in your body. 2. Enhances concentration. Regular meditation improves your ability to focus and maintain attention. 3. Promotes emotional health. It can lead to improved self-image and a more positive outlook on life. 4. Increases self-awareness. Meditation helps you develop a stronger understanding of yourself and how you relate to those around you. 5. Improves sleep. By calming the mind, meditation can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy more restful sleep. There are many different types of meditation, but here are 3 common ones. 1. Mindfulness meditation. This involves paying attention to your thoughts as they pass through your mind. You don't judge the thoughts or become involved with them. You simply observe and take note of any patterns. 2. Focused meditation. This involves concentration using any of the 5 senses. For example, you can focus on something internal, like your breath, or you can bring in external influences to help focus your attention. 3. Guided meditation. This form of meditation involves listening to a guide who leads you through the process. It can include visualization and imagery to help you relax and focus. How to meditate? Now, let's go through a simple meditation exercise. Find a comfortable seat, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in and out. Get comfortable, sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Breathe deeply, take a few deep breaths, in through your nose and out through your mouth. Begin to focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Don't judge yourself. Wandering thoughts are a natural part of meditation. We'll meditate together for the next few minutes. Just focus on your breath and let go of any tension. That was great. Remember, meditation is a practice, and like any practice, it takes time and patience. Here are a few tips to help you along your journey. 1. Start small. Begin with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable. 2. Consistency is key. Try to meditate at the same time each day to build a habit. 3. Be kind to yourself. It's normal for your mind to wander. The important thing is to gently bring your focus back without self-judgment. Thank you for joining us on this journey into meditation. We hope this guide helps you find a moment of peace in your day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more wellness tips and guided practices.